Hello plant lovers! Today we've got a zesty tip for your beautiful orchids. Using lemon juice. Sounds odd? Trust us, it's got some surprisingly sweet advantages. Number 1. Boosts growth rate. First off, a citrusy boost to growth. Studies from the Institute of Vegetables and Flowers in China show that lemon juice promotes cell division and stimulates nutrient transport. Mix 2 to 3 milliliters of lemon juice with a liter of water and water your orchids with it for a quick growth pick-me-up. Number 2. Cleans the foliage. Lemon juice can also serve as a natural foliage cleaner. Make a solution with a 1:5 ratio of lemon juice to water and wipe away the dust and grime from leaves using a sponge. A quarterly cleaning should do the trick for those stubborn stains that water just won't budge. Number 3. Preserves cut blooms. Want your orchid blooms to last longer? Lemon juice to the rescue! A mix of 2 teaspoons lemon juice, 1 teaspoon chlorine-free bleach, and 1 teaspoon sugar in 3 liters of lukewarm water will keep your vase flowers fresh for weeks. Number 4. Balances pH levels of the soil. If your soil is too alkaline, lemon juice can also help balance its pH. The acidity of lemon juice can bring it down to the orchid's favorite range of 5.5 to 6.5. Start small, a tablespoon or 2 in a gallon of water, and keep an eye on the pH levels. Number 5. Prevents pests. Pests bugging your plants? The acidity of lemon juice can deter them. A homemade spray of 1 part lemon juice to 3 parts water can be effective against aphids, mealybugs, and spider mites. Do test it on a small area first. Number 6. Keeps fungal and bacteria issues at bay. Lemon juice also packs antimicrobial properties to help control fungal and bacterial infections. Apply diluted lemon juice to affected areas or as a preventative measure. But remember, some orchids may be sensitive, so test on a small area first. Number 7. Cleaning pots. Lastly, it's not just orchids that benefit. Lemon juice is excellent for cleaning pots too. A solution of equal parts lemon juice and water can get rid of stubborn stains and mineral deposits. Just remember to rinse thoroughly and let them dry completely before reusing. So there you have it, the surprising powerful benefits of lemon juice for your orchids. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more awesome gardening content. Until next time, keep those green thumbs busy.